Hi everyone, welcome to Center of Balance Live. I'm Sinan Poa from Center of Balance, the acupuncturist. I'm still waiting for the Facebook live going. Yep, it's going now. So today's our topic. Now, what's our topic today? So it's talking about acupuncture treatment for degeneration macular disease. So macular degeneration. So you probably heard about AMD, it's age macular degeneration, which is an eye disease. It's an eye disease. So apparently the eye disease is becoming more and more because now the stage we use a lot of screen. The cell phones all screen, and a lot of stuff all screen. So this case has become more and more and more. And there's no cure for macular degeneration. There's no cure for macular degeneration. Well, you get injection in the hospital, and that costs a lot of money. And it doesn't really cure it. You may get some improving, or you may get not improve at all. No improving at all, right? The patient do that injection with no results, and it costs a lot of money. Now, acupuncture is a way that is very, very good for macular degeneration. Now, macular degeneration come with dry or wet, two different types. The reason I do this live video today is because I have a patient return to me today and get a great result from acupuncture. Now let me share with you the story today. Now I keep thinking of this elderly patient who was 82 years old. I keep it in mind as 82. I don't know where I get it from, but actually she is 87 years old. 87 years old. Now, she suffered from macular degeneration for years. And one of her eyes, the left side, she couldn't see at all. She couldn't see at all for the last few years. She told me the last few years she lost her eyesight at all. She can't see it. Only her left side, the left side can't see, the right side can see, but it's become blurry. Because both sides had macular degeneration. So that is important, because if this side is going off, that's not good. That's not good at all, right? So while I'm treating her, we actually try to maintain the version of the right side. Now, at the same time, I told her that I'll provide treatment for this side as well. If we can get it back to see something, that is great. That's great, right? So my treatment is easy. It's very easy. I take the pulse and figure out which organs are out of balance the most. So let me show you. Okay. This is the chart. Okay, this is the chart. Then I figured out that it's actually her lung out of balance the most. Overactive. When I say overactive, doesn't mean that she breathes very fast or anything like that. This is a term of Chinese medicine called the lung excesses. So liver control the eyes. So we treat the liver. Why would the lung out of balance the most and the eyes problems in here deal with this liver? That is because in 5 elements theory, liver against, lung against liver, which is the metal chopping wood. This is wood. Okay. Now in this case, when this is excessive, it's going to come against this one and affect the eyes, which means if I reduce the lung function and the liver function will get better, right? So my strategy is reducing here and improving that one. That's it. So that is from my post diagnosis. According to that, we did that. Then what happened next? I put needle over here and here, because elbow and elbow, it can balance the eyes. And I do 3 in meridian over here and 3 yang meridian over here, on top of treating the lung and liver meridian. Then I put some needle around it. So remember, I don't put needle in the eyes. There are treatment put needle in the eyes. It's a bit scary, but this time we don't do that. So we needle around the point around the eyes. That's it. And it surprised me in this case. 2 weeks ago we did a treatment. Then she came back today. Before I put needle on her, she told me, she said, "Good news, Shinan. Last acupuncture works very well. It works very well." She said, "I can see things in my left eye now. First time. She couldn't see anything in the left eye for the last few years. Now this is the first time that she can see things in the left eye." Now I want to share with you, to encourage you, that to let you know that acupuncture could help macular degeneration. But it doesn't mean all the cases come in and for just one acupuncture and you'll be able to see. I'm not promising this, but I'm telling you that this case, it works this way. And normally we need to set up a plan to get regular treatment, then we will see the results. Even that you have blind, from your eyes become blind because of macular degeneration, that is still possible to reverse it. And for the one that is getting worse and worse and worse, our goal is stop it to getting worse. That's the first one. Second is to maintain the vision in there. Third, if it is possible, we want to reverse it. And how do we do that? Do we just do acupuncture? No, we do Chinese medicine as well. So I actually gave her 2 weeks of herbs. She's been taking 2 weeks of herbs and she came in again for acupuncture. Now every case is different. Every case is different. If you live out of the Hamilton or Waikato, if you can't come in regularly, so we do 2 treatments daily, morning and afternoon. Then you can choose to live in Hamilton for a while. Then for 10 days, 2 weeks, then we get regular treatment. Then you'll be able to go a test again and see whether it's effective acupuncture make any difference for you or not. If it does, then we keep going with treatment. We're going to give you another plan with Chinese medicine. Now every case we want to test it out whether acupuncture help you or not. Right? So acupuncture is a good way to treat macular degeneration. Right, this is my case today. I'm very happy I could help this elderly patient. Now stay awesome, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. And leave down your question if you have any question, and please give me a thumbs up and share this live video. Thank you very much. On Facebook and on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel as well as ring the bell. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.